Evidencia 7, taller Taking About Logistics Workshop. Edwin Andrés Escuadra Ordóñez, file now 1881654, Servicio Nacional de Aprendizaje SENA. Improving logistic efficiency. A logistic focus on the business world as is a goal of continuous and solid improvement of the company growth, optimizing savings in the every you can, in addition to taking uh, advantage of every opportunity that comes your way. Objectives: the acknowledge, managing, and control of the physical flows were raw materials and products, the notions and management of the environment by virtue of human resource. Consuming goods should full energy exit. The administration of the assets necessary for the provision of and warehouse vehicles, computer system its manufacturing. This is considered uh, an implementation plan that optimizes its logistics operations successfully. Considering strategies that minimize costs, full utility, productions capacity, and improving the overall quality of the customer experiences. Storage, big analyzing and implementing warehousing producers. Companies can store, move, and ship products more effectively. This requires adequate and well-trained warehouse staff. Strategy sequencing. An house of vertical storage to fully oscillate heavily available space. Careful scrutinizing ordering patterns to ensure quick delivery of products, as well as effective space utilization. Its errors is also important. Optimize transportation. This rising costs of transportation accounts for increased prices in virtual every industry. To reduce transportation costs, companies should examine every factor that may increase it or decrease it expenses. When this starts with designing product and packaging, packaging for optimal size and weight. Proper planning of the loading and delivery route ensures that routes always carry full loads. 3. Final identify and use the most cost-effective packing and shipping methods for your products. Entombment Communication technology, logics management software communicates between the warehouse and accounting departments and allows for the delivery of timely updates to the customer. This significantly streamlines the entry process for storage, transshipment, and requires minimal staffing. Encourage feedback. The success of the company depends on input from all of its employees of teams, regardless of their role in the logics process. Careful consider feedback on suggestion from the staff concerning practice that could, could further improve logistic efficiency. Improvement programs. Six Sigma theory. Reduce variation will solve process and boosting problems. Using of the statistical focus problem focused application guideline define measure analysis control improving. Lean thinking theory. Lean focus of the removal of the waste, which is defined as anything do not necessarily the product of service. Focus flow focused. Application guidelines 1. Identify value, value to map the value stream. 3. Creative flow. 4. Establish pool. 5. Seek per, perfection. Perfection. Theory of the constraint. Theory. The focus of system improvement and system is defined as a series of the interdependent process. An analogy for a system is the chain, a group of the interdependent links working together towards the overall goal. Focus system constraints. Application guidelines identify the constraint, exploit the constraint, subordinate in synchronize the constraint, elevate the performance of the constraint, repeat the process. Would, would the comparing Six Sigma lean thinking and theory of the constraints? Six Sigma reduce variation, eliminate defeats, sustain the gains. Lean thinking simplifies process, eliminate waste, increase the speed. Theory of the constraints, managing constraints, focus on the system, maximizing throughput. throughput. Thank you.